Before refitting the injectors, the bores in the cylinder head must be cleaned thoroughly. Clean the tips of the injectors. Replace the seal ring. And fit a cap onto the tip to protect it. Clean the shaft. Before installation, remove the guard and insert the injectors. Insert the brackets. And tighten the fastening bolts hand tight. Unscrew each of the closure caps. And install the high pressure lines between the injectors and the common rail. The high pressure lines in the B16DTH can also be replaced individually during servicing. Tighten the nuts for the high pressure lines and the fastening bolts for the injector bracket as specified in the service literature. Refit the insulator of the common rail and injectors. Install the return hose on the common rail. And place it on the injectors. Install the clamps for the return hose. Refit and lock the wiring harness plugs for the injectors. Replace the gasket on the intake manifold. Position the wiring harness plug, lock it, and bolt on the throttle body. Place the charge air pipe onto the throttle body, engage it, and screw it into place. Refit the upper wiring harness plug on the engine control unit and lock it. Finally, reconnect the battery.